welcome back to the mathematics class. In the previous class, we were discussing the second exercise questions in your textbook, page number 15, 16 and 17. Let us continue that. In the figure below, M is the midpoint of the line AB and compute the other two angles of triangle ABC. Okay, here one angle measurement is given as 50 degree and M is the midpoint of the line AB. Okay, so there are two right triangles. Okay, there are two right triangles in this figure and angle M is 90 degree. Let us compute the other two angles. First of all, consider in triangle AMC and in triangle BMC. If MC is equal to MC, that is the common side. Okay, MC is equal to MC. Then AM is equal to BM. M is the midpoint of AB. So we can write that angle AMC is equal to 90 degree, which is given. Then angle BMC is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. The reason behind this is linear pair. Okay, so we can say that angle AMC is equal to angle BMC. Okay, you can say that angle AMC is equal to angle BMC. Both are having 90 degree each. So children, we have already learned that if two sides and the angle between them of triangle AMC are equal to the two sides and the angle between them of triangle BMC, so other angles in these triangles are also equal. Okay, so in the question it is given that angle A is equal to 50 degree. Then we can say that angle B is also 50 degree. Then using these two angles, we can find out the third angle in this triangle. Okay, so angle A is equal to 50 degree, which is given. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 50 degree. And then using this, we can find out the third angle in this triangle, that is angle C. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B. That is equal to 180 degree minus angle A is 50 and angle B is also 50. Which is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. That is equal to 80 degree. Now we have found all the three angles of the triangle ABC. Fifth question, in the figure below, the lines AB and CD are parallel and M is the midpoint of AB. We have to compute all the angles of triangle AMD, triangle MBC and triangle DCM. And the second part is what is the special about the quadrilateral AMCD and MBCD. Okay, first we have to find all the angles of the triangle AMD, triangle MBC and triangle DCM. Okay, so we have to find all the angles of these three triangles. Okay, so here AB is 12 centimeter, which is given, and M is the midpoint of AB. So we can say that AM is equal to BM because M is the midpoint. So AM is equal to BM. And then we can say that AM is equal to BM, which is equal to CD. Three of the sides are having 6 centimeter long. Okay, that is AM is equal to BM is equal to CD is equal to 6 centimeter. Here angle AMD and angle CDM are equal. Mark it as equation 1. The reason behind this is the alternate angles made by the line MD meeting the pair AB and CD of parallel lines. Next, let us consider the triangle AMD and triangle CMD. Here, AM is equal to CD. Both are having 6 centimeter long, and MD, which is the common side for these two triangles. Okay, so we can write it as triangle AMD and triangle CMD. AM is equal to CD, both sides are 6 centimeter each, and MD is equal to MD, that is common side. As we know, the reason behind this is if two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third sides of the triangle are also equal. Then the other two angles are also equal. This is the second property which we had learned in this chapter. Now let us consider the angle MCD is equal to angle DAM. Okay, here both angles are having 40 degree each. Is because of the alternate angles. Okay, so we can write it as angle MCD is equal to angle DAM is equal to 40 degree. Put equation number 2. Then let us consider the another angle, that is angle ADM is equal to angle CMD. Okay, then write it as equation number 3. Now let us consider the other angle, that is angle MCD is equal to angle BMC. Put it as equation number 4. The reason behind this is the alternate angles made by the line MC meeting the pair AB and CD of parallel lines. Okay. Next, in triangle BMC and in triangle DMC, here BM and CD are equal. Okay, because both the sides are having 6 cm long, and then MC is the common side for these two triangles. Here also the reason behind this is if two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to the two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third sides of the triangle are also equal. Then the other two angles are also equal. Then angle CDM is equal to angle MBC. Okay, so the alternate angles are equal. Then angle BCM is equal to angle CMD. Here also the alternate angles are equal. So we can write it as angle CDM is equal to angle MBC, which is equal to 60 degree. Put equation number 5. Then angle BCM is equal to angle CMD. Put equation number 6. From equation 1 and 5, we can say that angle AMD is equal to angle CDM, which is equal to angle MBC, which is equal to 60 degree. And then from equation 2 and 4, we can write it as angle MCD is equal to angle DAM is equal to angle BMC, which is equal to 40 degree. Okay, now let us consider the triangle AMD. We have to find all the angles of this triangle. Here angle DAM plus angle AMD plus angle ADM is equal to 180 degree, and angle DAM is 40 degree, then angle AMD is 60 degree plus angle ADM is equal to 180 degree. Then angle ADM is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 40 degree. Okay, that is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. That is equal to 80 degree. Now let us consider the another triangle, that is triangle BMC. Okay, consider triangle BMC. Here angle MBC plus angle BCM plus angle BMC is equal to 180 degree. Angle MBC is 60 degree and angle BMC is 40 degree plus angle BCM is equal to 180 degree. So angle BCM is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 40. That is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 40 is 100 degree. That is equal to 80 degree. Next, from equation 6, it is given that angle BCM is equal to angle CMD. Here we had found that angle BCM is equal to 80 degrees. So angle CMD is also 80 degree. Now we had found all the angles of these three triangles. Okay. Next we can find the second part of the question. So in the second part of the question, we have to find what is special about the quadrilateral AMCD and MBCD. Okay, so first consider the quadrilateral AMCD. Here angle ADM is equal to angle CMD. It's because angle ADM and angle CMD are alternate angles made by the line DM meeting the pair AD and CM of the lines. So CM is parallel to AD, therefore AMCD is a parallelogram. Now let us consider the second parallelogram, that is parallelogram MBCD. Here angle BCM is equal to angle CMD is because angle BCM and angle CMD are alternate angles made by the line CM meeting the pair BC and DM of lines. So DM is parallel to BC. Therefore MBCD is a parallelogram. Okay children, that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss the next topic in this chapter. Thank you.